Tree service contractors, here's something different. Have you had a bad or underwhelming experience trying to market your business? Are you sick of marketing agencies calling you and peddling the same crap all the time? Well, me too. My dad's a contractor and I've watched these games play out for years. You see, it's always the same crap. They promise the world, but when it comes time to deliver, here come the excuses and the catch. We have to rebuild the website on our proprietary AI analytics-driven CMS stack. It's going to cost you a couple extra $1,000. And the excuses for results like, look at all the millions of impressions we got you last month. Or my personal favorite, SEO can take up to 2,000 years to work. You just have to be patient and trust the process while we collect our checks. And at the end of it all, I haven't seen the sales guy who sold me in like 7 months. And when I go to leave, I'm held hostage to like a $6,000 exit penalty clause for early termination. It's bullshit, and I'm sick of it. If you'll give me just 30 seconds, I'll tell you how we solve this and how we can potentially solve it for you, for good. I started ORB with my dad to help amazing service companies win. ORB Solutions is a company that's by contractors for contractors. And while we're not magic, we do eat, sleep, and breathe marketing for the trades. And we've been blessed to help some amazing businesses crush it at the 7- and 8-figure level. Now, we can't help everybody, but what if you could be certain that we could help you? What if before we did any work for you at all, you could pay us to develop a comprehensive 12-month marketing plan to show you exactly what we're going to do, what we're going to achieve, and how we're going to do it. A plan that you could review and poke holes in and ask questions before you had to commit to it. And what if through this plan you could see a clear, transparent path into more brand visibility, more phone calls, and more leads and opportunity for your tree service business? I'd like to personally perform what we call a G.R.O audit for your business and develop that online-ready blueprint to show you what you need to do in your marketing over the next 12 months and beyond. Would it be worth it? Would you pay $2,000 for that? I'm not going to charge you $2,000 for it, but I will ask for a $500 commitment up front because I want to make sure that you're really serious about growing your business. I'm going to take a look at your market, your competitors, your search rankings. I'm going to dive in deep and quantify exactly for you what the gap is between where you are and where you need to be to dominate your market. Then, after I've gone through all the data comprehensively, I'm going to isolate the biggest areas for improvement, and I'm going to put together that comprehensive 12-month plan of attack for you. This game plan is going to be tailored to your specific business and market. After it's done, we're going to get back on a video call together, and I'm going to walk you through all of the data and findings. We're going to record the call so you can hang on to that as well. Then I'm going to pull everything together for you, the data, the recording, the game plan, and I'm going to send it all over to you for you to be able to follow. You get to keep everything. At this point, you don't have to work with us. There's no obligation or commitment. You could take the game plan and run with it on your own. But if we choose to make you an offer, we're going to take care of everything. And if you choose to work with us, I'll give you your $500 back as a credit towards the services that we're going to provide for you. Even better, if at the end of this whole process you think this was just a giant waste of time, I'll just give you your money back. But I know for certain that that's not going to happen because ORB will be the hardest working marketing company for you that you've ever seen. And I only want to take on clients and make offers to people when I know with absolute certainty that we're going to win. So if you're interested, let's hop on a call. I'll ask you a few questions about your business, make sure this is a good fit. And if you want to do the audit for $500, we'll give you the game plan to grow your business as big as you want to take it. And that's it. No sales calls, gimmicks, BS, or fluff. It's just some real conversations about a turnkey plan and whether or not we should do business together. So if you're interested, click below, book that call, and let's get on the phone and see if this is a good fit for you. If you've made it this far in the video, I almost guarantee that I can help you. So I'll see you on the other side, or not. Either way, hope this was refreshing.